Wow, you have come a long way. From the past 36 lessons, you have learned a lot of fruits, drinks, how to express that you are starving, stuffed, or thirsty. It's time to review. Let's learn how to say review in Chinese, by the way. 复习. Please repeat after me. 复习. 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 Now a little bit faster. 复习. 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 After this lesson, please review lesson 27 and 36. Next time, we're going to start a new category. Well done! 好样的! See you tomorrow. 明天见. I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.